become an electrical inspector, firstly, you must meet certain education and experience requirements. Most states mandate a high school diploma or its equivalent as a foundational requirement. However, some jurisdictions may elevate this standard by requiring an associate's or bachelor's degree in a field closely related to electrical engineering. Moreover, practical experience is crucial. Several years of experience working as a licensed electrician or in a similar capacity is typically a prerequisite. Secondly, training and certification are essential steps. Most states mandate that prospective electrical inspectors complete specialized training programs and obtain relevant certifications. These programs are designed to provide a comprehensive understanding of electrical codes, inspection techniques, and stringent safety regulations. Certification can often be secured through reputable organizations like the International Association of Electrical Inspectors. Thirdly, licensure is a formal requirement. Once you have successfully fulfilled the training and certification obligations, you must formally apply for a license from your respective state or local authority. The specific requirements for licensure can vary depending on the jurisdiction, but they commonly involve thorough background checks, comprehensive examinations, and the periodic payment of renewal fees to maintain the license's validity. Fourthly, continued education is necessary to maintain your license and stay up to date with the ever-changing electrical codes and regulations. Ongoing training and continuing education are frequently mandated to maintain licensure, ensuring that inspectors remain informed about the latest industry standards and best practices. Concerning the eligibility of a recent high school graduate to become an electrical inspector, in most states, a recent high school graduate is generally not eligible to directly become an electrical inspector. However, they can embark on this career path by firstly, obtaining a high school diploma or its equivalent, providing the foundational academic qualification. Secondly, gaining practical experience by working as an electrician's apprentice, allowing them to acquire hands-on knowledge and skills in the field. Thirdly, completing relevant training programs and certifications, further enhancing their expertise and demonstrating their commitment to professional development. A typical career path to becoming an electrical inspector involves firstly starting as an electrician apprentice, which serves as an entry point into the electrical field. Secondly, progressing to the role of electrician journeyman, where they gain more experience and expertise in electrical work. Thirdly, advancing to the position of electrician master, which signifies a high level of competence and leadership in the field. Fourthly, transitioning to the role of electrical inspector, where they utilize their knowledge and skills to ensure compliance with electrical codes and regulations. Additional considerations include the fact that some states may impose additional requirements, such as prior service as a code enforcement officer or engineer, before one can become an inspector. Inspectors must possess excellent communication, analytical, and problem-solving skills to effectively perform their duties. They must have the ability to interpret electrical codes accurately and apply them effectively in real-world scenarios.